Hi, I'm Radhika. I am Vice President of Projects, Partnership and Business Development here at Anjani Technoplast Ltd. We are primarily a defense company and we do a lot of industrial component manufacturing and packaging. One of the products that we recently launched was the composite honeycomb technology. It's a structural material that has extremely high strength to weight ratio. Now this has its applications in material handling and packaging industry. What we've come for here at the PackPlus exhibition in Bangalore is to exhibit some of those products that we've combined the honeycomb technology and the lightweight aspect of it for. So we have the foldable collapsible box, a palletized box that is used for reusable packaging for strategic and competitive advantage in the supply chain operations. Other than that, we have material handling pallets, we have protective packaging for tier-based packaging, for protection of medical equipments and sensitive machinery that you may have. This is our first time in Bangalore and in South India for that matter. It's been an interesting experience so far because this is not the kind of portfolio that we deal with in North India, because most of our operations are in Maharashtra and Delhi. But it's been interesting because this is a new market and the people here, the visitors here, have been extremely forthcoming in accepting the technology, accepting us as a prospective vendor to them in future. Thank you.